Sallingham with the Virtual Weber Bullet with a replacement for your Weber Smokey Mountain water pan. If you bought a Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker since 2009, you have this water pan. It's a very deep pan. It holds 2.5 gallons of water, but it also gets in the way of the charcoal and the smoke wood. A lot of people don't like it. Prior to 2009, we had this water pan. This was a much shallower water pan. It only held 1 gallon. But back in the day, people complained and said, Weber, we want a bigger water pan. We want more capacity. Unfortunately, Weber gave us this instead of this. This was the water pan that a lot of people used as an alternative back in the day. It was a Brinkmann charcoal pan. It had a flat bottom. It had greater capacity. It didn't impede the charcoal or the smoke wood. Unfortunately, Weber gave us this much deeper pan. Well, recently, I found this on Amazon. This guy. This is the Winco MXB 1300Q stainless steel mixing bowl. It's exactly 14 3/4 inches across, the exact same diameter as the Weber Smokey Mountain water pan. It's only about a 1/2 inch deeper than the old Weber Smokey Mountain water pan. And as you can see in this footage, it fits perfectly inside the Smokey Mountain cooker, the 18-inch cooker. And you can see through the access door, it doesn't hang down like the existing pan does. Now, I'm not going to tell you that this is a super high quality pan. It's a little bit flimsy, but you know what? I think it'll do the job. It only costs $14 and change, and you can wrap it almost completely with a single sheet of white aluminum foil. You end up with a little patch on each side that is not covered, and if that bothers you, you can just patch in a small piece of foil right there. As long as you keep the water below that cutoff point, you'll be fine. And for those of you who are cooking without water, not a big deal. I think it's an interesting find. I think some of you might want to switch to this. We can no longer get those Brinkmann charcoal pans. They went out of business, although I think there are a few online at highway robbery prices. But again, this is just $14 and change at Amazon.com. So I'll put the link on the screen and put it in the description of the video. You might want to check it out. Again, it's the Winco MXB 1300Q mixing bowl, 13-quart capacity at Amazon.com. Perhaps a good alternative to your super deep 18-inch Weber Smokey Mountain water pan. Well, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate you very much. I hope that you'll like and subscribe to my videos. That way people can find them. And until next time, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.